Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. In this video I'm going to be reviewing SINBONO, I think that's how you pronounce them, which is a vegan luxury purse brand. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. And while you're here, why not subscribe? Make sure to use my code Phae for 25% off site-wide. So first of all, I'm going to be reviewing the Kace Crossbody Bag and also the Amelia Shoulder Bag. So I did receive both of these bags for free in exchange for a video, but as always, my reviews are 100% honest and 100% my own. So this is the Kace Crossbody Bag. It is a vegan leather, obviously. It has a lizard grain texture to it. It definitely fits my phone and fits like a long, big wallet as well. I'm gonna show a video real quickly of like things you can put in this bag. This strap is not adjustable, but they do come with a lot of straps that you can buy online, like a gold chain. They have this cute little pearl chain thing that you can basically make it from being a crossbody bag to like a shoulder bag. It is a magnetic opening, and there is one hidden pocket inside. It's also made from recycled plastic material, which is amazing. I really love lime green bags. They are to die for and super cute, and I think that this is the kind of the color of 2021, if that makes any sense. My favorite way to wear it is with athleisure stuff because I feel like it classes it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So personally, I give this bag a 5 out of 5. It's super hard to find really cute, sustainable vegan things that are kind of on trend. So I really love this one so much. It's so cute. Next up, we have the Amelia Shoulder Bag in sage green. This is so freaking cute. Like honestly, like when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It has this button clasp here. So this is supposed to be basically like a crocodile texture. Obviously it's vegan. It can fit a phone, it can fit a wallet. Here's a video of stuff that I can put inside of my bag. You can adjust the straps and they're pretty sturdy, so it's gonna take a little bit to adjust them, but it's adjustable. You can also opt for those accessory straps that they have as well that are really cute. Inside is a faux suede lining, and it also has a pocket as well. Honestly, this is something to wear when you're going out on a little date or you're just trying to class up the vibe. I think that this bag is definitely timeless, and whereas Kace is more very on trend, this is going to be cute always, and I hope Kace is cute always, but the Amelia bag is just definitely my #1 recommendation. So obviously I'm gonna give her a 5 out of 5. So my final thoughts with a SINBONO is that it is so freaking cute. I love that it is sustainable, it is eco-conscious, and it is vegan because it's 2021. How the heck are we still harming animals for fashion? That's an outdated thing that just needs to be out of style forever. The attention to detail is so nice on these bags, and they feel really nice as well as look very aesthetic. So that concludes my SINBONO haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which bag is favorite. Is it the Kace or is it the Amelia? I hope you found this video informational, and if you did, please hit the like button. I always genuinely appreciate it. Make sure to click my face right here to subscribe and watch my other fashion hauls right here. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!